Hey everybody, I'm doing more geometry. This is with triangles. So we are looking at these problems right here. So we're trying to find out what the angle measurements of angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3 are here. With the information that I am given and the fact that this angle is 118 degrees, I'm able to figure out what all of these pieces are. So I'm going to use supplementary angles to figure out the angle measurement right here. So I'm going to subtract 118 from 180 because supplementary angles add up to 180. And when I do that, I know that this angle would have to be 62 degrees right here. So I'm just going to kind of plot that right there. So that's 62 degrees. Now, in order for me to take that number, if that's 62 degrees, you're going to notice these markings right here. That means that these two side lengths are equal to each other. And if these two are equal to each other, then the angles that they are opposite with will make sure that they are also equal in size. So if this is 62 degrees here, then that means that this angle right here in this triangle is also going to be 62 degrees. So right here in this spot is 62 degrees. Now you notice that there is a right angle measurement there in that corner. That indicates that the whole angle is 90 degrees. So if this portion right here isn't 62 degrees, I'd need to figure out this side right here to figure out how much these add up to 90. So I can find out what this angle is right here by subtracting 62 from 90 to get this side. Now I know it doesn't ask me for that side, and when I do that, I end up with 22 degrees. Now the only reason I needed to find that is because if I look at this triangle right here, I see that there are markings right here and right here. That means that all of these pieces are all the same size. So if I'm looking at this right here, not these two. These two are equal to each other. So if I'm looking at these two measurements, I know that these two are going to be equal, which means that this angle is opposite of this, and then this angle, this line is measured opposite of this angle, and this angle right here would have to be the same as this one. So if this is 22 degrees, then 3 also would be 22 degrees right here. And then for the final measurement, to figure out what 2 is, I could take these two numbers, 22 and 22, add them together, and then subtract it from 180 because a triangle has 180 degrees inside of it. And so when I add them together and then subtract from 180, I get 136 degrees for this particular angle, which is angle 2. If you'd like more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel, You Want Algebra. Check these out under the geometry section.